YouTube, what's up, man? Hey, you already know the vibes. We had another car meet this morning. I was a little late. I ain't even bring the gram out. That's how you know, man. Like, I was like, let me just hop on the car, because the car can get here a lot quicker than the gram. Because, you know, I can't ride on the highways on my gram. So, yeah, I was just like, I'm gonna pull up in the car and see what's there. Like I said, I'm like 2 hours late. So, but it's still some stuff out here. Y'all already know the drill, man. I'm gonna give y'all a nice little walk around. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy. They still rolling in, bro. But, all right. We're gonna start off with this Mozzie right here, though. On the go, I don't know what those is, but it don't look too bad. We got the Beamer. What's this? The M3. This is, you got your Mustang crew. 5.0, 500. Hey, this look hard. The other Stang, murdered out. This is sick right here. This is built truck. Hey, yeah. Hey, we got Lambo out here. Nice little Gallardo Spider. Okay. Now, this is nice. We got the engine all out and open. Sheesh. What year is this?
This is 2013.
2013?
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. The updated front bumper. This is the 560. Crazy. Holy sh! We got 2 race cars out here, like NASCAR cars, bro. What in the heck? This is wild. This is crazy. A full race car, bro. Like, true life. No, that's crazy. Wow. Nah, these are crazy. They look like they just came off the NASCAR racetrack. It's crazy. Got the fans in there. I know it get hot. Oh my God. Crazy. Got a nice little S2K right here.
Yeah.
Got the red guts in there too. Look at this little tiny car. I feel like I can pick this up. It's a Honda. Never heard of that. Oh, he debadged it. He debadged it, so I don't know what it is. I think, if I could guess, it looked like a RS5. RS5 or RS4, that color is nice though. Get the M340. You know the classics gonna show up. We got a few classics out here. This is hard. Old school, the Mustang. Crazy. This right here, this is like a British vehicle. Oh, it's a Rolls Royce. That's crazy. This is a Rolls Royce, bro. Insane. That's wild, bro. Old Rolls Royce. Crazy. Truck is out of here. Got a nice little vet. I think this is the C6. C6? It's probably the best model, honestly. More old schools right there. Imperial. This I don't know. No, don't know what that is. It has nice interior though.
Wife and I a whole tour of his job. He gave us T-shirts. Took pictures of them.
Another vet, an old Cayman. Nice little Cayman. Porsches. Look at this. He look like he ready to fly a plane. Oh my God. What is this? Bro, how are you driving this, dude? Hold up. Hellcats. Tailgate track house. Sorry, we got distracted by the Hellcats. But back to this glorious row of old school cars. Like, where else are you seeing this at? Like, you got new school, old school, even older school. Like, where else are you getting this at, man? This is crazy. Yeah, them boys just pulled in. That M8 is crazy. Is that an M8? I don't even know. That color on that Acura is crazy too. Then you got the M3. Okay. This Great Britain ass cars, bro. It's a Triumph. Okay, that's wild. I know Triumph makes motorcycles, but I didn't know they made cars. Like, what years were these made? What?
But also they're responsible.
What in the heck? It has no. This is how you cover up the car, because it's a convertible, but the shit don't like. Oh my god, bro! This is literally how you cover up the car. Oh my god! This is your old school convertible. This is an old school convertible, bro. This is crazy, man. What? I like the color on this too. The color, both of these blues are very nice, bro. This is insane. You got the new schools parking by the old schools. Like, look at time, bro. We went from this to that. Man. This is crazy. M3 Cup. Wow, that is the M8. I just realized this is right-hand drive too. So that's even more insane. These Great Britain, these cars are all from Great Britain. They have Great Britain flags on them. Oh my god. Crazy work, man. Another vet. Gonna lie, I'm starting to like Z01s a little bit more. I always was kind of attracted to them, but they growing on me for sure, and I'm starting to notice them more often, so I don't know. This color on the M8 is clean. The yellow DRS. I like the color on that.
The dude is.
We got Z06 C8 out here. Very nice, very nice. You're starting to see more of these out on the road. Dealers are starting to be able to sell them and stuff. Looks good though, in all black. I like the spoiler. So the trunk and the engine are in the same place. And they got extra trunk space up there. This white Z06 goes hard though. But I gonna lie, it's low key hard. With the he has a roll cage in here. Yellow roll cage with the yellow seatbelts. Hold up though, hold up. Oh, there go. He took the roof off, so that's where his roof goes. Okay, I see. So this section is where your roof could go for the convertible, because it looks like he has the convertible too. Shelby right here, supercharged on the hood. You see it. You see it. Got another old school M2 out here. What is that, a Datsun? Another Datsun. This one's hard, I'm not gonna lie. I like this one. I like the way this one looks. The orange on there with the bronze wheels is kind of fire. I'm trying to figure out what BMW this is. I don't know my older ones like that. And okay, this has to be the E36 M3. Okay, yeah, this is one of the historic ones. A lot of people love this model. This is the E36 M3. So you can real ones know. It has an updated gauge cluster. Oh my God. Digital. Crazy. I like this, bro. I'm not even hold you. We're not about to. Oh shit. Mustangs are heading out. He got the gap cam. See that? He got the gap cam. So he gotta be fast. He got the gap cam on there. Hey, what's crazy is I know, bro. I went to school with him, bro. That's where I went to school with, bro. Yeah, this M2 just pulled up, bro. We're not about to act like this not here. I've never seen that type of splitter on the M2 ever in my life. The color is nice. You see what I'm talking about? The splitter, like, I've never seen that before. The old school showed up and showed out today, man. The old portion here. So yeah, man, for me to be late, it's still a pretty decent turnout. But yeah, I think that's pretty much showed y'all everything. Lambo looking crazy. I really missed it.
What do you want? I just need something.
I just missed that shit. Bye Lambo.